Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to solve each equation for x, starting with a, e to the x equals 5. So the basis for some of these problems is going to be converting a logarithm into an exponent or an exponent here into a logarithm. So this becomes log base of the exponent is the base of the logarithm, e, log base e of whatever the exponent is equal to, 5 equals the exponent x, right? The base remains the same. The 5 and the x switch sides, so to speak. Log base e is ln of 5 is equal to x. B, ln of x equals 2, right? We're doing the opposite thing. ln, like I said earlier, is log base e of x equals 2. So the base remains the same, e to the second power equals what's inside the logarithm, x. X equals e squared. B, we have e to the this is c. We have e to the x equals 2. So what we can do is we can take the natural log of this situation. So this is log base e of 2 equals e to the x. Log base e is ln of 2 equals e to the x. We can do it again now. Log base e, right? Same base, of ln of 2 equals x. Log base e is ln, so this is ln of 2 equals x. Finally, we have inverse tangent of x equals 1. If the inverse tangent of x equals 1, tangent of 1 equals x. What is the tangent of 1? X equals pi over 4.